Hello students, now we are starting with note making. Note making is the part of reading skills. You will get second question, the passage. You have to read the passage and make the notes. How to make notes? First, you will get the passage, read that passage. It is not very short. The notes are not written in grammatical correct sentences. Main points and their supporting details given, condensed information with judicious use of abbreviations, systematic arrangement of points, 4 to 5 main points maximum from each paragraph, and then make the summary of that. First of all, read the passage twice. Why twice? Because first reading is very quick. When you read the second time the passage again, ask yourself some questions and answer them as you read. Now underline these things of the passage. What is the passage about? What are the key points? Then underline 3 to 4 points from each paragraph. This you have done in the question paper. The whole passage you have read, you have underlined 3 to 4 points. Now you have to write in your answer book. Note down the main points. The notes are written para-wise. You have to give a title to each para. The points are given in numbers. For example, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, this way. Write the points without full form of the verbs. You don't need to use correct punctuations. 2 or 3 ideas can be combined into one point. Notes should be very short. They are written only in phrases, not in sentences. It is not like your unseen passage when you get the answers from full stop to full stop. Complete sentence not needed. Then make the abbreviations and symbols are freely used when you are writing notes in points. At that time you will use abbreviations. Articles, preposition, conjunctions, they are omitted. There should be 3 to 4 paragraphs of notes. If there are more than 4 paragraphs in the passage, you can join them. After making notes of all these paragraphs, give a main title separately for the passage. Then write the abbreviations in a box. They are not more than 5. Make your own abbreviations. For example, the spelling of purpose, P-U-R-P-O-S-E. You will write P-U-R-P-O-S-E dash P-R-P-S. Symbol dash S-Y-M-B-L. That is enough for the abbreviations. Then summarizing. How to make the summary of this passage? The notes that you have written point-wise and para-wise, combine all these things and make the summary. The purpose of note making is usually for one's own personal preference. It is not as severely shortened as note making. A summary is usually 1/3 in the length of the original passage.